Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of a story, The House Builder. First question, why was the mason a very good workman? Answer, the mason was very good workman because he gave an excellent and appealing finish to whatever he built. Second, what sudden decision did the mason take? Answer, the mason took the sudden decision of retirement. Third question, what was the contrast in the workmanship of the last house? Earlier houses with great dedication and interest, excellent and appealing finish, high quality material is used, constructed and she does her work with full dedication. Second, one should make up one's mind to help others when needed. Third, as Mr. Jadhav was transferred to Chennai, he had to hand over his responsibility to his assistant. Fourth, the laborer's income was not sufficient to meet the needs of his family. Fifth, because of a fault in the wiring, they will have to send for an electrician. Sixth, mother tried hard to change her son's habits, but to no avail. Seventh, mangoes from Ratnagiri are always in great demand. Third question, read the story and answer in your words. A. The owners of the new houses built by mason would be extremely pleased. Why? The owners of the new houses built by mason because he used to give an excellent and appealing finish to every house. B. Contractor compensated for mason's good work. How? Answer, contractor compensated for the mason's good work by giving a mason the new house keys. C. The mason made a firm decision to retire. When? Answer, the mason made a firm decision to retire after working with great dedication for many years, till he became a grandfather. Fourth question, read the following words from the story aloud and fill them in the proper column. Words are story, work, perfection, architect, live, building, full, door, way, quality, responsibility, measurement, great, many, of hell, excellent, material, complete, sufficiently, ready, documents, bored, happy, ownership, subsequently. One syllabic, work, live, door, way, broad, great. Two syllabic, story, building, many, of hell, complete, ready, happy. Three syllabic, perfection, architect, quality, excellent, documents, ownership. More than three syllabic, responsibility, measurement, material, sufficiently, subsequently. Fifth A, words that have the same sound pronunciation but differ in spelling and meaning are called homophones. For example, here and here. Pick out from the lesson homophones of the following words. First, west, W-A-S-T, west, loose, L-O-O-S-E, loose, great, G-R-E-A-T, great, sight, S-I-T, sight, wood, W-O-O-D, wood, new, N-E-W, new, made, M-A-D-E, made, own, O-W-N, weak, W-E-A-K, C-S-E-E. B. Select any three pairs of homophones from above and make simple sentences of your own to show the difference in their meaning. First, Suhas knew the answer very well. Aryan was a new student. Second, 7 days are in a week. Her little sister is very weak. Third, I see birds on the tree. River water meets the sea. Sixth, always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. Write a paragraph on the above topic with an interesting example of the same. Answer. Every morning when we get up, decide to do the best because being positive and doing the little best every day build our personality. If we want to build our future, we must start it from today. I remember the story of Dashrath Manji, who is from Bihar. When he failed to hospitalize his wife and he lost her, the only reason was that he had to travel the distance of 70 kilometers to walk around the mountain to reach the hospital. He could not do so and lost his wife. Dashrath decided to carve the road through the mountain. People called him madman because they thought that he wouldn't be able to do so. But Dashrath's firm determination and positive attitude of doing the best every day made his dream come true. He worked hard for 22 years in carving the road through the mountain and he became a legend. His best resulted into sweet fruits to coming generations. Thus, A madman became a mountain man. The real story tells us, always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later.